Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. In here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level, enable or disable automatic brightness, enable or disable dark mode, eye comfort mode. We can schedule it, enable all day, and change filter level. Then we've got text and size weight section, where we can change text size and text weight. Next, we can change display size between small, large and default. Change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Change color mode and temperature between normal, vivid, default, warm and cold. Enable or disable smart resolution and change screen refresh rate between dynamic, high and standard. In more display settings, we can manage full screen display for apps, height notch, enable carrier name and display network speed. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.